How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video here. In today's video, we're going to talk about featured pictures is not showing the option on your Facebook application in this 2022. Now, featured picture option is really cool. It adds you some multiple pictures the way you actually want it. But some people are saying this option is not even visible on their accounts. Therefore, I'm going to show you an easy way to get it back and solve your problem at the same time. Now, to solve your problem, the first things you have to make sure is your application should be up to date, okay? So if you're using an iPhone, open up your App Store. If you're using an Android, open up your Play Store and simply look for your Facebook. Once you've got your Facebook here, just go ahead and see whether you have any new update available or not. If you found out the new software available, just go ahead and update it. And after updating your Facebook application, simply go ahead and tap to open your application. Right after that, just go ahead and tap on your menu option. Now, if you're using Android, you'll be able to see your menu option on top. Just go ahead and tap on there and now tap on your profile. From here, first of all, just go ahead and tap on this three dot and you have to tap on the lock profile. If you don't use these features, then sorry to say you will not be able to use that featured picture option on your Facebook. Now, once you're here, tap on lock your profile and quickly after that, just tap OK. If you scroll down here, it will appear on top of your profile. But if you still see it's not available here, then of course you have to tap on edit public details. And here, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see this option called featured. We have already added the pictures over here, but if you don't add any pictures, you'll be able to see all this room is actually empty. Now you can of course add your favorite pictures the way you want it, and then the pictures will be shown over here as your, let's say, the featured pictures on your profile. Okay, everybody, so this is how you can add these features on your Facebook application, and this is how you can do it. Hope you find this video useful. If it's so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you later.